Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be talking about mean, median, mode, and range. So here we have a problem. The six students in Mr. Shelton's class ran a loop around the school. The students' times were, and were being given a list of numbers, and we're being asked what was the median time. So for median, I like to think of the median as like the middle number. Okay? But keep in mind with the median, you always have to sort the numbers from least to greatest. So here I'm going to start sorting this list of numbers I'm given. So I'm going to start with the smallest number, 5, 2 sixes, an 8, and 2 nines. Okay? Here we have 6 numbers. And so our we have two middle numbers, 6 and 8 in this case. What we are going to do is we're going to add them and divide by 2. Okay? So when we add 6 plus 8, we get 14 divided by 2 is 7. So our median is 7. Here we have a group of 9 families at Pete's school sold magazine subscriptions to raise money for the school. And we're being given a list of prices and we're being asked what was the median amount of money raised. So we're going to start with the smallest and organize our way to the largest numbers. We got to sort out the numbers from least to greatest. So here we have $8.40 being the lowest. Okay, there's 3 of them. 8.40. And next we have two 870s. Okay. Oh no, we have 3 of them. We have 3 870s. And next we have an 890. And then we have two 930s. Okay. Once you've sorted them from least to greatest, let's find the middle number. So it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. And it looks like our middle number here would be 870, it looks like. Okay. So that is our median. Here's another problem. Here we have Daniel bought supplies for a class project and brought the receipt to school. The 5 items cost, and we're being given a list of prices, and we're being asked what was the mode of the prices of the items. So the way I remember mode is the number that appears the most often. Okay, MO for mode and the one that appears the most often. Just by looking, I see that $7.50 appears the most often. It appears twice compared to all the other numbers. So that is my mode. Here's another problem. Now we're being asked what is the mean. So the mean, if you recall, you just add up all the numbers. So here we have 7 plus 8 minus 4 minus 7 plus 2 minus 6. Okay, we're going to wrap a parentheses around here. And then we're going to divide by the number of numbers that we see. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. Okay, so I'm going to add up all of these numbers first. Okay, that's the first step. 7 plus 8 is 15. So this is just 15 over here. Minus 4, that gives me 11. minus 7 is 4, plus 2 is 6, minus 6 is 0. So 0 divided by 6, I end up with 0. Here's another problem with the mean. Again, we're going to add up all of these numbers. 8.1 plus 8.1 plus 9.7 plus 9.5 plus 5.5 plus 8.1 plus 7.7. And if you add up all the numbers, you should get 56.7. Now we're going to divide that number by the number of numbers that we see. And I see we have 7 numbers. So we're left with 56.7 divided by 7. And that gives us 8.1. So our mean is 8.1. So here we have another problem. Aaliyah volunteers at the local skating rink. On her last 5 shifts, and we're given a list of number of skates, and we're being asked what was the range of the numbers of skaters. So the range is just the largest number subtracted by the smallest number in your data set. So the largest number here is 84 minus our smallest number, which is 78. And we have 6. So 6 is our range.